Hello, my name is Anthony Williams, and today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Google Earth Pro. Google Earth Pro is a computer program that creates a 3D representation of Earth using satellite imagery, which is pretty useful for land managers. It's also a free program to download it and pretty simple to download. Just go to a Google search bar, enter in Google Earth Pro, and click on the Download Google Earth Pro link and download it to your desktop. Once you have it downloaded, you can open it up. And here you can see the view of Earth from a top-down view, and you can kind of scroll around, view different areas, or you can double-click on a certain area, and it'll zoom in automatically for you. For this presentation, we'll be focusing on the Uvi Experimental Forest just north of Moscow, near Potlatch. And you can keep zooming in. Once we find our area of interest, we'll have to adjust our view because we are a little tilted here. So grab this icon here, and you get that top-down view again, and you get it pointing north-south. Just double-click the north arrow here, and to create a shape, click up here and just start adding in your boundary lines. And you might have to adjust the opacity on the when you're creating your polygon. Just go to Style and Color. Right now it's already set to 50, but if it's set at 100, you would be able to see your area of interest. So play around with that. We'll go back to 50 and press OK. And another cool feature you can do is you can add a path, which might be useful for identifying roads, because this map doesn't, or this view doesn't show any roads, but you can kind of see that there's the makings of a road right here. You can just add in your points, and it will create a road system for you that makes it a little more easy to identify. And then if you go up here to this printing icon, print view, and click on that, it'll take you to a different view, which makes it look more like a map, which you could print out and give to someone if they were to come into this unit, and they would be able to identify this road, which is a pretty useful feature of Google Earth Pro. And from this print view, you'll be able to title your map. You can add in elements to your legend, and then you can print it off, and it'd be a useful piece of information you can hand to an employee to come out here and use. Thank you for listening.